Welcome to ClinicOS, the intelligent FHIR based clinic management system for modern Indian healthcare. So, this brings patient registration, clinical workflows, and admin tools together in one secure platform. So, let's say I register a new patient and I'm registering as Kirti Sanon. So, either patient or nurse can do the patient intake. Patient will be able to register themselves. I will provide the preferred password, enter the date of birth. All these informations are secure and properly encrypted and saved at the backend. So I have my existing conditions which I have input and say FHIR, and the preferred time is today at 10:45, and I register for it. So I get my login details, the username and password. So since for demo purpose it's displayed here, so you can use this username and password to log into your details as a patient. So you can see the portal with your appointment. So you'll be able to do the same with the chatbot as well, but since we entered already, let's get into the next flow. So I'm logging in as a nurse and let's see how my dashboard looks like. So here in the nurse dashboard, I see the requests that are coming from me, patient lists, and let me see the appointments. So I see the new patient, and let me approve it and assign the right general medicine, pediatrics, or cardiology for him. So the date is fine and the time is fine. So I provide the instruction for the patient. Say, drink more water while coming. So I'll be able to approve or reject from here. So let's say I assign a patient with the cardiologist with the 9:30 time slot. Provide the instruction to don't take medication today. So I'll go back to my dashboard. So let's say I want to enter the vitals of the patient. So let's say Kirti arrived at the clinic and I have to enter their systolic, diastolic pressure, pulse, temperature, needed details, weight 68, and the height to be 169. And I provide notes and the observations which initially fever is there. And all these vitals are saved. So I can see the open patient list, and I'll be able to see all the patients which are listed here. Look for Kirti Sanon, and I see their existing details, observations which I have entered. Let's log in as a doctor and see how the dashboard looks up. So this is the today's work list. So here I will be able to see the scheduled appointments, what are all the completed, and what are current active encounters. This is the work list I see, and who are all the patients that came in today, what are the active encounters, what are the completed encounters today. So let's say I want to enter any encounter for the patient. So I am with the patient, so I see he's having headache and I need like more analysis. I will order a ECG. So I can prescribe medication if it is necessary. So I can choose the frequency. So here I'm choosing as needed. I'll leave it as is, and I'll provide the notes after meals and say prescribe. I can end the encounter of this patient, and I can go check the other details. So I'm logging in as an administrator right now. So as an administrator, I'll be able to see full dashboards, KPIs, patients, billings, staff management, and complete audit log of all the activities. So here I'm checking the billing. So what are all the billing done so far, and the items of the billing. Same for claims. So what are all the claims that are there, and if I want to manage any staff, I'll be able to do delete nurses, add nurse, or add doctors. I can modify the patient as well.